Hi, my name is Caroline Webber. I'm here representing the National Archives of Australia, and what I'll be doing is just going through very briefly the two different data sets that we'll be presenting. One comes directly from our beautiful record search experience, and the other one comes from a content development program that we've been running since 2007. So we've got two sets, the Australian Government Agency and Function Relationship from 1901 through to 2003. So the last update incorporates the latest machinery of government changes. And it's huge and hard to read. So we're hoping that you'll improve that. And the second one comes from our Memory of a Nation Interactive. Memory of a Nation is our permanent exhibition, and it showcases what the National Archives is all about in 400 square metres through about 800 items. And we're looking to see what you can do with that one. So the Australian government data from 1901 to 2003 is a series held by the National... It includes descriptions of Commonwealth agencies and the functions and the changing functions that have gone on since 1901. It's extraordinary in its depth of showing how federal government function and work has changed over the last century and a bit, but it is presented in a very unfriendly fashion, and what we want you to do is try and make it look better. So this is the department, this is one example, if it works. It's Department of External Affairs. There's the start of its function. You can see it was established on the 1st of January 1901. And it goes through, and you get the data that will be available will be the agency information, and there's all that. And then you get previous agencies, so some of the colonial agencies that might have been involved, and then you get subsequent agencies and the controlling agencies, and these lists are huge. And we think that we've got about 5,000 agencies, maybe more, but as you can see, it's really unfriendly to access and not very interesting unless you want to read all that. So what we're interested in is how you can improve that and make it more accessible online for our users. And then the next one is Memory of a Nation. It's about, as I said, about 600, 700 items from when the exhibition opened in 2007 to now. And in 2010, we created a touch table where people can view the items digitally, because we have to take material off display all the time because it's predominantly paper-based. People weren't seeing items anymore. So we've now got a touch table in the exhibition, and what we're interested in is whether you can make some of this stuff visible online in a different way to explore Memory of a Nation. The data you'll be getting there, for example, is, I should say, over here, that's the Waltzing Matilda manuscript. Down here we've got Michael Jagger's incoming passenger card, a tribute to the World Cup. It's 1974 team member, for any of you soccer fans. Oh, that's not very good. What you'll get with this data is the series and the item. You'll also get a description that is available on the touchscreen that talks about what the item is. But what we've also done on the touch table is create links, collection links and topic links, so that you can then explore how the different items connect to each other. And all that will just come through on either Excel or JSON. We're just working on that. We will have data mentors here in Canberra, and we are, because we're national and we have state-based offices, we are hoping to have some data mentors in the other capital cities, but you'll just have to wait and see what we can do with that one. And if you've got any questions, yeah, we'll provide some answers. Thanks.